Welcome back to KK Autos, where we explore the most exciting and futuristic vehicles shaping tomorrow's roads. Today we have something truly extraordinary, something no one expected but everyone is now talking about. We are diving into the Ferrari Motorhome 2026, a luxury creation that merges the unmatched performance DNA of Ferrari with the comfort, practicality, and freedom of a motorhome. Yes, you heard it right, Ferrari has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and as you might expect, it's not just about travel, it's about redefining travel in true Italian supercar fashion. From the outside, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is unlike anything you've seen before. It carries Ferrari's design language with a bold front fascia that looks inspired by the iconic supercars in its lineup. The signature sharp LED headlights, aggressive air intakes, and a sculpted hood give the motorhome an unmistakable Ferrari face. The side profile is sleek, aerodynamic, and far more dynamic than traditional motorhomes, with flowing lines that hint at speed even when standing still. Red dominates the bodywork, though custom colors are available, and a set of massive alloy wheels with Ferrari's signature logo instantly remind you of the brand's racing heritage. At the rear, slim LED taillights stretch across, and the dual exhausts integrated into the bumper reinforce the performance promise. Step inside, and the Ferrari Motorhome feels like stepping into a futuristic lounge designed with Italian luxury at its core. The cabin is a masterpiece, blending supercar-inspired details with the comfort of a mobile home. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, and hand-stitched leather dominate the interior. Ferrari's steering wheel design, complete with integrated controls and paddle shifters, has been reimagined for motorhome use, giving the driver a sense of command similar to driving a sports car. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a fully digital curved display, offering navigation, performance data, and connectivity features at your fingertips. But the real surprise is in the living space. Ferrari has managed to combine speed with space, something no one thought possible. The motorhome features a full lounge with Italian leather recliners, a high-end entertainment system, and panoramic windows for a bright and airy feel. The kitchen area is compact yet functional, fitted with smart appliances, induction cooking, and a stylish dining space for four. Towards the rear, the Ferrari Motorhome offers a luxury bedroom with a queen-sized bed, ambient lighting, and storage solutions carefully hidden within sleek panels. The bathroom is another highlight, with a walk-in shower, premium fixtures, and even Ferrari's prancing horse logo subtly engraved into the fittings. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of Ferrari's DNA. Unlike traditional motorhomes that prioritize comfort over driving, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is engineered to deliver exhilarating performance. Under the sleek body lies a hybrid V8 powertrain, developed from Ferrari's latest technology, producing over 700 horsepower. This allows the motorhome to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds, numbers unheard of in this category. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest motorhome in the world. Yet Ferrari hasn't sacrificed practicality. The motorhome features adaptive suspension that adjusts to road conditions, ensuring stability and comfort even at high speeds. Advanced aerodynamics, lightweight carbon fiber construction, and a low center of gravity make handling surprisingly sharp for a vehicle of its size. For long journeys, Ferrari has integrated a plug-in hybrid system, giving it an electric-only range of about 120 kilometers for city cruising, while the hybrid mode extends efficiency for highway trips. Technology inside the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is as advanced as you'd expect. The infotainment system is powered by Ferrari's latest AI-based interface, offering real-time route planning, smart energy management, and even a performance coach that helps drivers optimize driving efficiency. The motorhome is also equipped with semi-autonomous driving features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. Safety has been prioritized, with multiple cameras, radar, and LiDAR sensors ensuring 360-degree awareness at all times. One of the standout features is the Ferrari Travel app, which allows owners to control everything from lighting and climate to energy usage and entertainment directly from their smartphones. Over-the-air updates keep the system fresh with the latest Ferrari innovations. Now let's talk pricing. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is not for everyone, it is a symbol of exclusivity. Prices are expected to start around $1.5 million and can rise significantly depending on customization. Each unit will be built to order, allowing buyers to personalize colors, interiors, and features, just like they would with a Ferrari supercar. To sum it all up, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It brings together the thrill of Ferrari performance, the luxury of Italian design, and the freedom of travel into one groundbreaking creation. For enthusiasts who want both speed and space, it's the ultimate dream, a Ferrari that you don't just drive, but live in. So, what do you think of this bold move by Ferrari? Could the Motorhome 2026 change the way we think about road travel? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KK Autos for more reviews of the most exciting cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.